Una natin topic mga kaibigan, MMC passes resolution banning e-bikes on major roads. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. The Metro Manila Council or MMC on Wednesday passed a resolution banning e-bikes and e-trikes on national roads. Banning electric bikes and trikes on national roads under the jurisdiction of the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority. So lahat ng mga roads na hinahawakan ng MMDA ay bawal na ang e-bikes. Nagiging bentol po tayo. The MMC is one of the governing boards and policy makers of the MMDA along with the President of the Metro Manila Vice Mayors League and the President of the Metro Manila Councilors League. So in-explain lang kung ano yung MMC dito. MMDA Acting Chairperson Romando Artes said that the resolution will be effective by April since the guidelines are still being drafted prior to publication. Below is the list of national roads where e-bikes and e-trikes will be prohibited. Itong mga babanggitin kong mga national roads ay bawal na po ang e-bikes at e-trikes. Babasahin natin. Una is yung EDSA, syempre, ang Epifanio de los Santos Avenue, CM Recto Avenue, Manila, President Quirino Avenue, Manila, Araneta Avenue, QC, Katipunan or CP Garcia, QC, Southeast Metro Manila Expressway, Roas Boulevard, Manila, Pasay, Parañaque, Taft Avenue, Manila, Pasay, Osmeña Highway South, Super Highway, Shaw Boulevard sa Mandaluyong at Pasig, Ortigas Avenue sa Mandaluyong at Pasig, Magsaysay Boulevard at Aurora Boulevard sa QC at Manila, Quezon Avenue or Commonwealth Avenue sa QC, Andres Bonifacio Avenue sa Manila at QC, Rizal Avenue sa Manila, Delpan or Marcos Highway or MacArthur Highway, bawal na din. Elliptical Road sa QC, Mindanao Avenue sa QC at ang Marcos Highway. Each local government unit in Metro Manila will also craft their respective ordinances on the ban on e-bikes and trikes. So, bawat local government sa Metro Manila ay gagawa ng mga kanya-kanyang ordinansa para mapagbawal ang pag-drive ng e-bike at e-trike sa mga national roads sa Metro Manila. Violators will be fined 2,500. Patay. Nako. So, yun. Sabi yan ni Artes. Other units will also be impounded if they are not able to present a driver's license upon apprehension. So, kung wala kang lisensya, ay i-impound ang inyong unit. Patay. According to Artes, there were 554 e-vehicle related accidents and 2 patay. Last year lamang ito. So, ang daing mga aksidenteng kinaanuhan ng e-bike last year. Ito sabi ni Artes, dumarami yung gumagamit ng e-vehicle at parami ng parami yung nasasabi nating reckless driver. May nakikita mo naman sa mga video sa Facebook. Hinarangan pa yung emergency yung sasakyan. Ewan ko kung fire truck yung hinarangan na yun, yung naalala ko. On February 15, MMDA and other government agencies also conducted a meeting to discuss the creation of unified regulation for e-vehicles. Among the concerns raised during the meeting were minors driving e-vehicles. So, may nakita ko sa balita kahapon na estudyante nagda-drive sa EDSA ata yun. Among the other concerns raised during the meeting were minors driving e-vehicles on national roads, driving without helmet or protective gear, and driving in the middle of highways. So, ayun, bawal na po ang e-bike at mga tricycle ata sa mga lugar na binanggit ko kanina. Actually, hindi lang yan yung ipinagbawal eh. Search natin, wait lang, search muna natin yan. Kasi, may nabasa ko sa GMA News ata eh. E-bike. May nabasa ako yung listahan talaga ng mga bawal na dumaan. Ito. So, ayon sa MMDA Regulation Number 24-022, pinagbabawalan ang e-bikes, e-trikes, tricycle, pedicab, pushcart, kas ba to or carts, at yung mga kuliglig na dumaan sa mga national roads na binanggit natin kanina. So, ayun. Kasama dito yung Bonnie Avenue. Di nakalagay sa binasa ko kanina. Pero ayun, yun yung mga bawal So, ano masasabi niya mga kaibigan sa pagbabawal sa mga e-bikes at e-trikes sa national roads sa Metro Manila? Comment down below.